Going to talk about custom button fabrication for the EAP Performer 16 hole. This harp here, the far harp, is an EASTTOP EAP with actually covers from a Hohner 280C from 40 years ago when they were still brass and nickel plated. They provide a pretty darn warm tone. And this is a Seidel Vulcany here, this harp, with a set of KETTLEWELL resonant covers, designed and built by Russ Camerer. And we're just going to look for a moment. I'm going to take the ruler and line up the two combs like this. Okay, and you can see that there is a distinct difference in how long extension that away the button is. The custom button that I made here is longer, and it has a more curvature on the top, which is more comfortable in play. And so the question is, do I want to make a custom button for the EAP, understanding that covers will soon be here from Russ Camerer. So what we're going to discuss a little bit about this issue and show you why this might make some sense. Well, as stock buttons go, this isn't a bad one, but you see that is almost a 90-degree hard cut on the hand. Well, your button oftentimes is not activated like this unless it's your thumb. If it's your finger, it's like this, and that edge, that's a 90-degree edge, and it's not comfy to play with that. Whereas with the custom button, at that angle, you've got a rounded shape, okay? Now these covers, notice that this cover goes all the way to the edge of the harmonica. And so it will on this one too. Well, with the longer button, when you come in, you can see you've got pretty good clearance between the edge of the harp itself right here and the hand. Now with the stock button, if I did the same thing, I would be much closer to the harmonica, and when the covers come all the way to this edge, is going to be pretty close. And so I would say on that basis that it is advisable to go ahead and to make a button that's more like these. I call these button ERGO buttons. And so the point is, again, these covers, the resonant covers, will come all the way to the end of the harmonica pretty much. And so with the button compressed, my hand's going to be pretty darn close to those covers, which I don't really want. I want more clearance, like this. More clearance between the covers in my hands. Okay, so that means we are going to make a button. I can make one shaped like this, or I can put a little groove in it right here and kind of put blue coloring in so it would be a more decorative button. I might do that. But the first step is to remove the button from this slide. So that'll be our next video.